All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode of Backlash Angling. It's been a good minute. Been pretty weak on the videos lately, but it's summer. It's beautiful out. It's just the start of June, and we're gonna get back into things. And the best way to get back into things is a little bit of a competition. So we're out here at a local family pond, and we're gonna do a little bit of a bass competition. It's about 3 weeks prior to season opening, but since it's private property and stocked, it's all ours. So it's gonna be a little bit of a fly fish versus spin reel competition. And we got an hour and a half to fish, and it's just the most amount of bass is gonna win it. So let's get started here and let the timer begin. Dude, there's two side by side. Do you not see them right there? Right on the right hand side. Cruising down the shoreline. Huge. Dude, they're tanks. They're giants, they're pigs. How am I not hooking? How am I not hooking up? Oh my God, this one's taken it 3 times. There we go. Uno! Look at that. That is what we call a baby bass. Maybe 1 year old, but hey, doesn't matter size here. It's all about getting those fish. Just on a little bit of a leech pattern. Fly, but I'll take it. I will take it. Uno. The big one's right, there's a big one right here. Oh, I just missed one. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Right out of the weeds. That one's a bit better. Right in the lip. Number 2. Gorgeous. Little baby largie. Oh my God, I need my Ned rig, but I can't. I'm gonna catch this fish. Watch this. And it's a pretty good one too. Oh, he spooked. Where'd he go? Oh no, there he is. There he is. Told ya. Yeah. Let's go. Saw him sitting on his bed. Tried to get him on the popper. Could not resist the Ned rig. It's not a bad fish. Cool colors on him. Really? Maybe they're more down at this end. I'm catching the ding. 3, 1. I'm catching the dinks. Come on. 4, 1. Oh, I saw a little largie, so went for him. Number 4 for me. A beauty green emerald. Little largie. Same thing, little dinker though. I need to get bigger. I'm gonna get another one right off the hop. Another one. Yeah. Running away with it here. 5-1. This is just getting embarrassing. Choked it. This guy couldn't see it for less than half a second and he wanted it. I told Zach coming into this the fly was going to be the ticket. Look at that bad boy. And I ain't wrong. I am not wrong. Oh, I got 3 coming after it. You're screwed. Got him. 6-1. This one's better. I don't know. It didn't have much going on. Oh, he just buried himself in the frickin'. Oh, rookie. Zach hooks up and misses it. I capitalized. 6-1. That one's a bit better than what I've been having. Definitely my biggest of the day. Not big by any means, but 6-1. 6-1. Yeah, you heard it here right. You heard it here, folks. 6-1. There we go. I got one too. Double header. 7-2. 7-2. 7-2. This is 3 casts in a row on this side. I know. The fly is the ticket right now. Got him. 8-2. This little spot seems like there's tons. I don't know if you'd be able to catch any of them. Pretty small. 8-2. Like 8-2. Get him. Nine 2. Mega carp. What? I didn't know they had carp in here. Carp's worth 3 points. 9-2. Zach's getting frustrated because I'm just crushing him with the fly. Just crushing him. Baby little leech pattern. That's all it is. Oh, here we go. There we go. Double didge. Number 10. Just a beauty for number 10. Can't hate it. There we go. Number 11. I can't resist it. They just simply can't resist it. Unbelievable. 11-2. Zach's over there thinking he can get away with a jig and a minnow. Get it done. Come for the comeback. I don't think so. No way. Look at that bad boy. $11-2. It's over. This little leech pattern's just turned it into a mess. Oh, there's another one. 12-2. Got him. $13.2. $13.3. That guy was so aggressive. Came right out of the weeds. Unreal colors on these things. They're nice and pale. It's kind of cool. So we got a little bit of a half-hour update here on just murdering Zach right now. 13.3. This little leech fly presentation is just, it's just cash money. He's running around a Ned rig. He's cut it down, make it a little small one. It's just, it ain't gonna work. Nice slow presentation with the leech. Deadly. So it's 13.3. Still got an hour to go though, so you never know. He's got salted minnow train going on right now, so could be a game changer, but it's in the bag. It's in the bag. Yeah. They're clear, but they're weedy. $14.3. I didn't mean to hum them that hard, but 14-3. Just can't resist. Oh. Calm down. Come to the dogs. Want to lick? And back and goes. 14-3. What are you even? What? Just obliterating. Oh my god. Yeah. Look how small this one is. Oh my god, this thing is tiny. He was born last week. 15-3. Finally! Oh my god, we're on the board. Numero 4, baby! Zach's on him now, it's a salted minnow. But I'm getting bites every time, so no way he can make up that deficit. There we go. 16. That little guy ain't making no mistake. He ain't making any mistake. We're on the board again, baby! I think that's 5. Numero 5. I have missed so many fish. $15.6. Look how small that is. Look how small that is. And I lost my minnow. Oh, like half a second there. 16.7. $17. Oh my god.
Every pass.
Yeah, there's so many there. 17. Numero 8. Feeling the pressure now? There's a nice deep hole here though. They seem to be sitting in it pretty comfortably. You just gotta kind of see them swim by and then you put it to them. Oh, there's like a school of like 20. Oh yeah, guaranteed I catch one. There. 16-9 or 17-9. There's 18. 18 for me. Absolutely launched him on the shore. Poor dude. Alright, chill. Just chill. Number 18. Keeping that lead. I actually see a bit of a better one here. Bit of a better one. I'm gonna drop Zach's Ned rig on it. This is gonna be an absolute steal. So there's one right on its bed. I'm just gonna drop this Ned rig right in front of its face. I think its bed's right here. Got him! Right on its bed. My best one of the day, by far. Let's go. Let's go. That was a little bit of a cheat. I don't know if I can count that one as a fly fish, but I'll say I'm still at 17, but couldn't resist that one. He was right on his bed and I knew he'd crushed the little Ned rig. Get him back right to his home. Oh, why are those not? Oh, that's a giant. Why are you not eating? Snag it from you. Got it. That's a better one. Live bait, baby. That's crazy, eh? Like the fly, nothing. Yeah, I know, he was 9. Live minnow. Oh. Okay, so that's gonna wrap things up. As you guys saw, the fly takes the big dub. I think it ended up being around 18 to 12. Zach had a bit of a push at the end. And I'm a rookie fly fisherman, so I was too busy untangling my line half the time. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the short little video. Like I said, there's gonna be plenty more to come. Summer's upon us, the boat's about to get launched, and we're about to go seek a lot bigger fish than those big bass. We're gonna be looking for big Lakers on Lake Erie. And yeah, we're excited to bring you guys some more content and kind of, I don't know, maybe throw some teachings along the way of what we know and how we work the system on Lake Erie. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.